Here we have to use the diagonal corner module. We're using it for an egg smoker. The diagonal corner module is sold as a perimeter frame unit. If you want to add an egg smoker, you have to buy separately 3 universal cutout kits plus 4 horizontal connectors. If you want to install a sink kit, you buy one universal cutout kit plus 4 horizontal connectors for a sink kit. If you're not going to have anything in the top here, we recommend you just go ahead and follow the directions for the sink kit, which would add the cross bracing here to support a countertop in the center. So that would be 1 universal cutout kit plus 4 horizontal connectors, even though you're not having a sink, just to have something up here for support. We also like to use a 14 by 20 vertical door in the front to access plumbing or access the chute from one of those smokers. So you have to get also a door kit if you want to do that and install a door there. 14 by 20 is a good size to fit there. If you go too big, it won't fit.